How to screen share your Vivo phone onto a Windows 11 computer or a desktop or a laptop. First, go into the startup menu here and click on the settings icon, which is this one right here. As you click on it, on the left side menu, you will see where it says system. So click on that once, then you'll see this set of options. From this area here, go down, and you're looking for the one that says projecting to this PC. When you see it, click on it once, then you'll be taken to this area here. If you see launch the wireless display app settings shown here, then you have that settings already installed. If not, you may need to click on that same area and install the wireless display. Just follow the prompts and you'll come back here. Once you're done, go to these three drop-down menus, set it to available everywhere. The second one should be every time a connection is requested, and the last one for the pin should be set to never. Also make sure this is turned on so that it can show nearby devices as well. Now on your Vivo phone, you're going to look for the screen mirroring or screencast toggle. So use the quick access on your Vivo phone and look for screencast or screen mirroring. It depends on your phone model. If you don't see any of them, tap on the edit icon right here and look for the screencast toggle. When you see it, hold it down, drag it into the quick access so that it can be one of the ready to use quick toggles. Tap on that arrow to go back and you should be able to see screencast now. You can either single tap it for some phones or long press it to get this shown on your phone. You'll see it searching and tap on settings right here. Make sure these last two options are turned on, then go back to the top and tap on connect to a mirroring device. The very first option to the top as you see there. When you tap on it one time here, you will see that it's going to show you available devices and it is searching for available devices. If nothing shows up here, now you'll have to go onto your Windows 11 computer and go back into the area that says projecting to this PC. You'll click on the launch wireless display app, click on it one time, and it's going to start searching for nearby devices. So while it's doing that, you should see it now show up on your phone. So the name of your computer will show up on the phone and you can see the matching name on the screen. When you tap on it, it'll show that your phone is about to project, and just give it a few seconds so that it can sync. And once you have it all synced, you will see it says connected and you will now see your phone shown on your computer screen. As a quick tip, make sure your auto rotate is enabled so that when you go into landscape view mode on your phone, it will also show up as landscape onto your computer screen going into that full display mode. You also have that floating icon for any additional options and also to disconnect if needed. And that's that, my friends. If this guide helped, like and sub. And of course, thanks for watching.